Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing something a little different for both our micro and our classic happy planner. I made an awesome little Black Friday printable for you guys, and I'm going to show you how to trim it up and use it. So let me clear my space and I'll get started. Okay, so this printable is available for download and I will include the link in the description. Once you print it out, you'll want to trim it down to Happy Planner Classic size, which is 7 inches across by 9¼ inches high. So I'm going to go ahead and do that now on my guillotine here and just trimming it out. This printable was an idea I had because I really like the idea of pre-planning for Black Friday. But I don't carry my planner around with me when I'm on the go. It's a little too big and too cumbersome, and I wanted a way that I could take the information from this Black Friday sheet and take it with me without taking my full planner. I have a tiny little micro, which you saw there, and I thought it would be perfect for this on-the-go idea, so I'm going to show you how you can use it either way. It is trimmed out currently to the Happy Planner Classic size, and as you can see, you punch it, punches beautifully, everything looks good, you stick it in your planner, good to go. And this has 4 different spots for individual stores. My printer kind of curled the page a little bit, so it's pushing up, but yeah. Let's say you're like me and you filled it out and you don't want to take your full planner. The next thing you can do with this very same printable is trim it down into micro page sizes. So basically each one of these little boxes can be trimmed down to fit in your micro. So I'm going to pull out a page right now so you can see it. I am really happy with this, you guys. I worked on it quite a bit, tweaking it and kind of making it, in different ways. I tried to DIY it, and in the end, I just thought that the printable was the easiest, the cleanest, and it looked the best. So I wanted to make that, and then since I made it for myself, I thought I would share it with you guys. So right now, I'm trimming it out. Now, there are no guidelines on how to trim it, but just so you know, you need to trim to the red lines on all sides except the left side of the box, because the left side of the box is where you will have your hole punches. I'm trimming it right now just to align to the red sides of the boxes, and then I'm going to go ahead and trim these guys down the side there, like you see, still on the right side for those 2 boxes. Just be careful to do that because you don't want to have any overlap, because you need that 1/2 inch of white space for punching your holes. And I'm going to manually cut them just to make it a little bit easier, and I can trim out some of the other ones that were a little bit off just to kind of clean them up. And let me do the other ones. Kind of get things out of the way since I'm using scissors. Like I said, these are great. You can now punch them and put them in your micro, and then you're good to go. You can leave it in your classic planner and fill it out there, kind of keep it with you until Black Friday comes and then do this step, or you could do the step ahead of time and get it all ready in your micro and be ready to go. But either way, you're all set. And I'm going to go ahead and punch these guys so you can see what the final trimmed sheet looks like. It's perfect. You still have all the same amount of space, but now ready for your micro. So I'm going to go ahead and shuffle these in and then put them into my micro planner. I already had done a couple just to make sure everything worked properly. And I'm going to flip to a page that I started to fill out for Target, just to kind of show you guys an example. I'll do a sample one right here with you guys for Kohl's so you can kind of see what each of the boxes are. For the top line, that's where you would put the store name, and then right below it is a box for the hours, since different stores open on different days and different hours for Black Friday. And then also sometimes there's a coupon or a special thing, you know, a percentage off if you come a certain time. So that's what the percentage sign box is for any kind of coupons or things like that that you want to note. Then you put in the items that you're looking for in the store, and then you put the price. And as you go, you can just check it right off. So that's basically it. Nice little sample for you guys. Hopefully you thought this was kind of cool. And if you did, go ahead and click that link down below, download your own, and get all set up for Black Friday. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up down below. Go ahead and leave me a comment if you'd like to get in touch. And think about subscribing to my channel if you haven't already, if you'd like to see more of my videos. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye!